Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Wednesday, February 22nd. Time is 8:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, trade that I'm in right now, 10 contracts long, 53.90, and look to pull a half off at 54, and stop is sitting at 53.85 right now. Down here. Okay. Let me get a quick rundown. So, overnight, push down had amazing push up yesterday, up to $55, and it's been trickling back down. So we're actually back in the $53, $54 range at the moment. So the low is right here, $53.92 is pushed up overnight, which it should. It's inverse, and right now it's kind of in just a chop area. So same as CL, but what I'm seeing. Let me make this big here. So this 740 bar is actually a pullback. So we had some volume coming in about 550 this morning, which could only be HFTs as far as how that normally works. And it is tested a couple times around this area as well. So this is the third test. Aggressive sellers came in, hitting the bid. So just a lot of stacks of them. Not a huge quantity as far as volume, but just a lot of sellers came in and wasn't able to push it down very far. So just trying this part here, see if we can get half off break even, see if this is the break. It's a little early for the break to be happening, but just in case, always utilizing the risk management on that end there. So, all right, let me watch this trade and see if we can get our first one off for the day. And if it's a scalp to position, then it'll be the only trade. So, all right, guys, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we're at. I tell you, it really seems like the market just watches me. So I know everybody's got that feeling at some time or another. So we got this unfinished business keep on developing right here, and it's just absorption. It keeps on happening. So I went ahead and pulled half off at 9 ticks at 53.99. Moved my stop up to 53.88 for a 2 tick stop. Hiding just right behind this area here. So, actually, that is 89. Move my stop up one more tick to 89. Leave a 1 tick stop. Hide behind these aggressive buyers on this bar right here. So, long 5 contracts, 53.90. Stop sitting at 53.89, and no area for pilling from this point. I still think we're in chop. So we'll just see, and I'll watch the delta, kind of give me a gauge of when the breakout's going to happen as well, and also the dollar. So I guess I should put the dollar screen back up. So, all right, I'll be back, guys, and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, guys, here is what is happening. I just went back to reanalyze overnight. Now, I believe we're setting up for a bear day, and we're already open was 54.26, is down 37 ticks, or 37 ticks. Yeah, 37 ticks at the moment. So what I'm going to look to do is, if we push back up here, I think I'm going to just exit out of all but one contract. And I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point. And then kind of watch for volume to start stepping back in again. This is looking like a continuation bar down. And I'm thinking they're loading up more to push it on down even further. So, and this part is chopped, but it's somewhat of a pullback, but it's going to be choppy for a minute. Then I'll look for more aggressive sellers to step in and take this down. So I think we're going to be a bear today. But I'll let the footprint tell me on that one there. All right, guys, be back shortly. Okay. I just went ahead and closed my position off at 53.99. So that was a 9-tick for 10 contracts. And I'm going to start looking at shorts at this period here. So I'm seeing aggressive buyers coming in, but some absorption going on as well. So absorption, if you don't understand it, is you'll see orders coming in on the offer. Well, in this particular case, orders coming in at the offer, but they're not able to push past, 2 or 3 ticks on that one, particularly when it doesn't move at all. Then you'll see a range of aggressive sellers coming in, and you start seeing a shoot down. So, all right, I'm going to watch and see if I can get in, possibly on a short here. I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, I got short. 10 contracts, 53.97 right here off of this 8 moving average. I look to pull half off at 53.87. Stop is sitting at 54.05. Actually, let me adjust my stop to full 10 ticks. Just right here off of this 200-day moving average. So I believe this is going to hold, and I want to take that chance there. So give me just a minute. 54.07. Okay. All right. So everything is set up now, and we're watching. We'll see if we're gonna get this pushed down like my analysis says. So, all right, be back shortly. All right, got half off there. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point. All right, and okay, it's like the nice push down I've been waiting for. Aggressive sellers coming in, hitting the bid, and it's a lot of them. So let me see here. Let's see if I can pull one off at 77. All right, I pulled it off at 78. That'll work too. Okay, 19 ticks on that one. And I'll leave my stop sitting at break even for just a bit. Wait for this bar to close, and then actually I need for the 8 moving average to go ahead and start drop, so I can hide behind it, as well as these big orders coming in. So, all right, big prints right here, big prints. So they should be continuation prints. Let's see. Dollar is falling as well, but it's hitting the oversold area. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm going to stick with the bears and see if we're going to continue to push down at this point here. So, all right, guys, I'll be back shortly, and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, I went ahead and moved my stop to 91. That will lock in 6 ticks. And I will see if I can pull another one off around 67 down here. So, all right, 4 contracts short, 53.97. Stop sitting at 53.91. And let's pull one more off at 53.67. I'll be back in a minute. All right, looking at this trade. This may be a reversal. This area has a lot of congestion in the past. Right here off the 7 deviation line. This is also this was a low right at 71 some days back, but this parameter fits into the 9 to 19. You got your high volume node right here at 79. Count back 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. But since I'm in this trade, I'm going to go ahead and work with the bears on this one. But I'm going to hide my stop behind aggressive sellers like this block right here of sellers, and see if the bulls will actually be able to push up past that. If that is the case, then that would be a reversal, a confirmation of a reversal. But hopefully these are still just continuation prints as the big picture still shows this is going to be a bearish day, but we'll see. So risk management, that's the key, particularly when you're in a trade and you're profitable at it as well. So, all right, guys, short for contracts 53.97. Stop sitting at 53.91. Look to pull one off at 67, and it just came off. All right. Let me see here. 3 contracts short, 53.97. Gonna leave my stop at 91 at the moment, and see if I can get another block cluster of people coming in. All right, be back shortly. Heavy orders coming in here, which is what I like. Normally, when you see block clusters back to back, like right here, you got some more right here, big orders, got some more over here, still filling in. That typically signifies a continuation in the direction that it is going. So I'm gonna see if I can pull one more off at 47. That will be 50 ticks, I believe. And let's see, what do we have here at the bottom? 1 deviation line. 1 tick below the 1 deviation line. And then you have some institutional zones down here around 41 to 29. That's a big zone right there. Okay, guys, we're going to continue to work this short and see if we can continue to scale out from this point. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop down to 84. That locks in not an even number, so that's 87. 13 ticks, somewhere abouts. Submit that. Okay, and continue to watch over here. So still a lot of aggressive sellers coming in. All right, be back in just a moment. Okay, guys, we got down to the 1 deviation line, did an abrupt turn, and I still think it's going to push on down there, but I went ahead and pulled one off at 53.55, and that is for 42 ticks, I believe it is. So 2 contracts short, 53.97. Stop is sitting at 84 right now. I think I can bring that on down some more. Let me look. 70. All right, I'm gonna bring my stop on down to 76, and that will lock in 21 ticks. Yeah, 21 ticks from this point here, and we're gonna continue to see if we push on down. So context of big prints, when you got a bunch of them, you're going to need something amazingly bigger than that. So we're probably looking at 1,000 prints to signify a possible reversal. Then again, the deviation line is real strong as well. So we got some aggressive buyers coming in here. So, all right, guys, let me watch, and I'll be back shortly. All right, this one almost got past me. I'm seeing the 1200 print. That's what I normally look for reversal. It fits in the parameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 14. So that fits between the 9 and 19. Stop is sitting at 76. I am going to bring it on down. Let's see here. No, I'm not. I'll leave it right where it is. Okay, guys, let me watch for a bit and see. I'm going to see if I can still pull one more off at 47 for even 50 ticks, as I like round numbers. And my stop is going to be staying at 76. So short 2 contracts, 53.97. And stop at 53.76. Look to pull one off 53.47. All right, be back shortly. Okay, another big print here on the offer side, huge. So I do believe this is possibly a reversal. So I'm gonna wait for a pullback a little bit, probably close to the 1 deviation line. I'm going to take one more contract off. Right now I'm sitting at 47. So I'm probably going to look to pull that off there. Let me see here. The high today was 54.60 up here, and it is already at 100 ticks on the short end of that one there. So typically that is an exhaustion area when you can get into a 100 tick range. So I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and pull one more off somewhere in this area here based off of this pullback, and then I'll let the stop hit me through somewhere in this area around 67. That looks like somewhat of a channel going on there, and I'll stay just above that if this is a reversal, which will be hiding behind this 8 moving average as well, and that will wrap up the day. So, but if it continues, if this is just a reload again and push on down, I'll just stay in my position in the trade normally like I do. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, guys, I got to run off for a bit. I got to run my kid on to school, and I'll be back to fill out everything when this trade should be done by the time I get back. And right now I'm short 2 contracts, 53.97. Look to pull one off. I moved it to 51, and I think I'm going to go ahead and move that on up to 52 to pull one more off. And my stop is sitting at 76 right now, so this is starting to look like the reversal part. But just want to make sure, so everything is set. So I'll be back to wrap everything up if my stop gets hit. All right, be back shortly. All right, look like the markets wanted to wait for me while I was gone, so nothing happened. So the half or the one more contract at 53.50. I adjusted it from 53.53 out on the road watching TeamViewer. Didn't come off, and 76 still ain't hit, but yeah, this is just a really big channel at the moment. So cases like this, already in a profitable trade, go ahead and continue to do what you was doing. So I'm gonna stay short. Keep my stop at 53.76 at the moment. So that looks like it's just above this channel that's working. And then I'm going to still try to pull one off down here at 53. So, alright guys, I'll be back and we'll see if we can wrap this trade on up. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I went ahead and pulled one off at 55. Trade starting to slow way down for me. So I'm one contract short, 53.97. Stop is sitting at 53.76 still. Let me see if I can bring that on down yet. Yeah, I'll bring it one tick. Nope. I'll leave it where it is. Okay, and I'm going to set a limit. We're actually in the oversold area here. Let's see what dollar is doing. Dollar still channeling along. Okay. Well, this is one of those hurry up and wait kind of deals there. So everything's set where I need it to be. I'm sitting in one contract short right now, so I will let the stop dictate where it comes off at unless it reaches 100 ticks. So I'll go ahead and set that limit up at 52.97. Don't expect it to get down there, but just in case. $52.97. All right, so that's all set up now too. Okay, guys. Stop sitting at 53.76, and we'll just watch it from here. All right, be back shortly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to 67. believe that's what I saw. Yeah. We'll move to stop 67 right now. And that will lock in 30 ticks. And take profits sitting at 52.97 for 100 ticks. So short one contract, 53.97. All right, be back. Okay, guys, my ADD is starting to kick in. I've set my stop up to a trailing stop. It's a 20 tick, 67. 11 tick trailing stop. It starts at 67, so it's going to trail from 11 and go with it from there. So, all right, I will be back at the end of this trade. I will just let my phone alert me. I'm going to go eat some breakfast and not sit in front of the computer anyway. So, all right, I'll be back at the end of this trade. All right. Okay, so I guess that's all I needed to do was set a trailing stop, and then the market decided to change as I was getting up, and I'm stopped out. So 42 ticks for today, a very profitable day. So I have no complaints on that one. Looks like this is the reversal, so the channel. So analysis was spot on after I went and reanalyzed. So initially I had the bull call, but went and looked way back. So let me actually show you what I was looking at, and that has to do with these bigger time frames. Look at these spikes on this volume right here. Big down pressure on that one. Spike right here, down pressure on that one, and spike right here, down pressure there as well. So that was the sentiment for the morning as far as going into pre-market in the open session. And then you can see these big prints here. So chances are these are HFTs firing off at those hours. I'm not exactly sure, but that was the sentiment going into that one there. So, all right, guys, video is done. It's a long one. I apologize for that, but just wanted to give you a good analysis on what I was doing. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.